Everyone learning coding in 2026 is focusing on the wrong skill, and that's why so many people feel stuck even with AI doing half the work. I know because I was stuck there too. I thought getting good meant just building more projects, more practice, more grinding, more just keep coding and eventually it clicks. Then AI showed up and beginners started shipping apps faster than experienced devs. And that's confusing, right? Because if AI can write the code, what exactly are you supposed to get good at? Here's the mistake. Most people think AI coding created two new paths. You either become a vibe coder or a spec-driven engineer. Vibe coding is what everyone starts with. You open your AI tool, throw in a prompt, and watch magic happen. Build a dashboard. Boom, UI. Login page, animations. You feel productive instantly. But after a while, everything breaks. You don't know why decisions were made. You can't extend features safely. Every change feels risky. Because vibe coding teaches dependence, not skill. So people swing the other way. They discover spec-driven development. IBM actually explains this really well in their video Spec-Driven Development, AI-Assisted Coding Explained. The idea is simple. Instead of prompting randomly, you define requirements first. Behavior, constraints, expected outcomes. You tell the AI exactly what the system should do before implementation begins. And this is important because suddenly AI stops guessing. Now your builds are predictable. So everyone assumes, this is the real skill now, and they go full spec mode. Huge documents, detailed planning, perfect structure before anything exists. But here's the problem. You're mastering documentation, not decision-making. And software development has never been about perfect plans. Real projects evolve. You change direction. You learn while building. Your understanding improves mid-execution. Pure vibe coding lacks control. Pure spec development kills speed. So what's the actual skill developers need in 2026? Not coding faster, not writing better prompts. The real skill is hybrid AI direction, learning how to guide intelligence step by step. That's it. The skilled developer today knows when to explore and when to constrain the AI. When I start a project now, I don't ask AI to build anything. I start with conversation. I explain the idea, ask trade-offs, challenge assumptions. This is skill number 1, problem framing. You're teaching the model how to think about the problem before touching solutions. Then comes controlled experimentation. I deliberately keep things lightweight, front-end only, fake data, fast iteration. This builds understanding quickly. You're learning system behavior without infrastructure slowing you down. That's skill number 2, iteration control. Only after clarity appears do specs enter, small ones, task files, rules, constraints, exactly like spec-driven development suggests, but applied surgically. Now AI executes consistently. That's skill number 3, precision instruction. And this is the shift nobody talks about. In traditional coding, skill meant writing logic. In AI development, skill means designing clarity. You are no longer just coding. You are directing an intelligent system. After 2 years working with AI agents, the difference became obvious. Beginners ask AI for answers. Intermediate devs ask AI for implementations. Skilled developers design the thinking process itself. That's why some people improve insanely fast right now, while others stay trapped rebuilding projects forever. The bottleneck is no longer typing code. It's understanding systems well enough to guide intelligence without confusion. So, if you're learning coding in 2026, focus on this. Can you break problems down clearly? Can you iterate intentionally? Can you constrain AI when needed? Because the developer who masters hybrid prompting doesn't just build faster, they become exponentially better with every project. That is the new core skill. Smash like, subscribe, or stay grinding tutorials while AI passes you by. DevPlates out.